If you are currently struggling to find a profitable trading strategy, or if you are constantly failing profit challenges because you take repeated losses, then next time you should definitely try this strategy. And in this video, I will break down a 70% win rate setup using a trade I took just 2 days ago, using direction, market structure, liquidity, and supply demand. So let's get started. So the first thing I do every trading day is to find my daily bias. So currently the price is trading around this area, and after taking this liquidity low, price started aggressively pushing higher, printing strong bullish engulfing candles. This tell me my daily bias is bullish. So for the entire day I will be only looking for buy opportunities. Next I move to the H1 time frame. So I use H1 time frame to confirm my daily bias and to mark the market structure. As you can see here, the market is continuously making new higher highs. This tells me the market structure is currently bullish, which is perfectly aligned with the daily bias. After H1, I will move to the M15 time frame. So this is our M15 time frame where we should mark our intraday liquidity levels, POIs, buyer sensitivity areas, seller sensitivity areas, etc. As our bias is bullish and we only look for buy opportunities, we should mark our all demand areas. This is the recent demand area which is nearest to the current price action. So let's mark this. And we should validate this POI. How? As you can see the origin from here price exploded. This tells me there's a high probability that buy orders are still resting here, and also see the imbalances. Wow, beautiful, right? And this is another liquidity low I will closely monitor before price reaching this demand. So to get familiar with the indicator, this is our Asian box and this is our London box, and New York is about to start here. So we will look for buy opportunities only after price mitigating this demand and give some lower time frame confirmation. If price didn't mitigate this demand, then there is no trade for day. That's the rule we should definitely follow. Next, I move to M1 to look for lower time frame confirmations. Okay, and currently we are on M1 time frame. So once New York opens, I simply wait for price to mitigate this demand and give me the lower time frame confirmation before entering. Okay, now let's play the price action. As we can see, the New York session box appeared, and price is approaching the liquidity line. Okay, now it mitigated the demand, and now let's wait for low time frame confirmation. So yeah, so this is the lower time frame confirmation I would like to enter. So this is the two leg low time frame confirmation. So our entries goes here, stop loss below this, the lowest point, targeting 1:3, and let's resume the price action. Price almost took our SL but it didn't. And then boom, there you go, 1:3. So let's say if you weren't comfortable trading the first entry because it is only two leg, then here you can see the market also presented as the second entry by sweeping this liquidity low and then giving the bullish price action. So you can place another entry here also If you'd like to enter second entry, or if you didn't like the first entry, then you can take this entry also, which is also going to give you a 1:3. So both entries reaches a full 1:3 targets in less than 30 minutes. And this is the exact process I follow every single day using my daily bias, H1 market structure, M15 POIs and liquidity, and then at last M1 confirmation for my execution. And if you are struggling with prop forms, or if you are taking repeated losses, then you should definitely try this strategy here. And if you want to see more trade breakdowns like this, comment breakdown below. And if you would like a help from me one on one, you can check out the link in the description. See you in the next video.